Welcome to NurseHive and NurseHive's Articles resource page. We have designed the Articles page to make it easy to find insights on a wide range of nurse topics. From the home page, click on Articles. This button will take you to the Articles landing page where you will see our featured articles and be able to search topics that interest you. As a member of NurseHive, you will have access to an extensive library of articles and resources. We've made searching topics simple and easy to do. On the right side of the Articles page, we have a search box located here. Just type in keywords and the relevant resources will pop up. For example, type shoes. And articles like "What are the best shoes for nursing" will display in chronological order of publication. It is that simple. Or just below the search bar is a drop-down menu called Categories. Simply choose a category from a list of pre-built points of interest. Only the resources related to that topic will be displayed. At NurseHive, we believe sharing your thoughts and seeing other nurses' professionals' comments is part of the learning process, so we've made making comments easy. At the bottom of each article is a comment section. Just add your thoughts and press submit. You will get notifications sent to you as other nurses respond to your comments, creating greater engagement with the NurseHive community. Sharing articles with your friends and peers is just as easy as making comments. On the left side of the article page is a social media sharing ribbon. You can easily post and share an article to tell all your friends through Facebook and LinkedIn, or mail a friend directly with the mail exchange button. Don't forget NurseHive's forum page, The Buzz. If you'd like to learn more on a particular topic and ask your peers questions, just go to the forum that matches your topic of interest and start a conversation. Get started and register at nursehiveprep.com. It is free and easy to do. Just follow the bee and register now.